Here at the Davenport and Associates have always done a great job with me. I've had a lot of work done here actually, and I've never had any pain. I have had problems with grinding my teeth, terrible headaches in the morning, and my jaws would just be tight. Of course, tossing and turning, and I would wake myself up with the grinding that I would do. So they've helped me as far as getting mouth guards and instructing me on what I should and shouldn't do. I don't have any headaches from grinding anymore since I've been using the night guard, and I wake up pretty refreshed and have a good night's sleep. Whether it be a cavity being filled or the crowns being put on, I've never had any pain here at this dentist's office. They care about them to make sure that they can do the best they can and making it pain-free and doing the best job on whatever procedure's being done.